One and only in the only world, the real life Faggio! Okay, now my turn.
Let me see it first. Let me see the video.
No, don't end it yet. It's my turn. Oh, I lost power. Wait, there we go.
Crash! Wait.
Ow!
Turn the turn signal on. Oh no, we have a crash.
There's a fuse burn.
Do that again.
What?
Wait, where's the horn? What is it? Oh, it turns on the headlight.
What turns on the headlight?
This one right here. Where's the horn? I'm gonna stop it now. It's the real life Faggio. I think that might be the horn. Do that again. No, hold it down. Keep pushing it. You want me to stop it now? The real life Faggio. Flat tires and everything.
Would it make that honk? I could go. These might honk. Stop.
Wait, let me get a good look at the turn signals.
Look at the brake.
Let me get a good look at the turn signals.
Ah!
Other one. There we go. Can I stop it now?
Where's the horn?
Wait, let me push it. I think it's somewhere. Oh, I see it. Push it again. It's right there.
Where is it?
It's right there. See, it's that. Alright, let go. See, it's that big metal thing right there.
I don't see anything. Oh, that thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Hit it. Hit it. Let me see. Hold this.
Oh.
Keep pushing it. Ah! Wait. It tickles. Keep pushing. I know what to do. It tickles, dude. Look, you gotta put your finger on like the small round piece.
Where?
The small round piece. No, look. Okay, on that piece. You have to push it in. Now push it. Tickles. Do it. Do it.
This piece?
No, no, no. Let me see your finger. Wait. Right there. Push it in. It tickles, doesn't it?
What? It's funny though.
No, I can hear it in the house, okay? And you also gonna need showers big time, your feet are black.
I know, it's listening.
I know.
And well, at least we know that the electricity's working. Where's the thing again?
It's like, you can feel like a metal piece. Wait. Push it. Tickles. Alright. I'm gonna stop recording now.
Yeah.